Hi, this is an introduction for my agent framework samples. I have published agent framework works samples on GitHub. There are 9 agent framework samples here. First sample is quite simple. Just call it Azure OpenAI as a console sample. But so number 2, number 3, it leverage agent framework thread. It's persistent. It's conversation context on the another storage store. And in addition to that, our function calling and how to get our structured output from our Azure OpenAI. Such a sample, including for all Azure my agent framework samples. And not only for that, our agent framework can publish your agent on Azure Function. It's also including. Not only for that, you can publish your application as a MCP server with Azure Function by using agent framework. This sample already included. Not only for that, uh, this is very popular use case. Agent framework also possible to leverage Microsoft Teams as a UI platform. Let's dive into it for this sample here. This sample is so right here. You can find this UI by publishing this agent framework sample as an agent to a Teams UI. By putting your message, I want to take survey. You can take you can get a survey example right here, age and gender and your favorite food and hobby, and you can put this input into your application, and so as you wish to put into a Cosmos DB or SQL DB, any of data store, you can put into this information in your application as a demo. Like here, here's my sample already here. How to failure taking survey. So now I'll put into I want to take survey here. And they are internally working this sample, calling Azure OpenAI, and I'll get a response, and so make structure as also adaptive card for Teams right here. Then you can put your structured output like here and reading, and in the end, yep. Right here, your age 40, gender is male, favorite sushi, and so as you can see, you can leverage both Teams UI and so agent framework and your favorite large language model by using this sample. This sample is already published on Git framework already. Of course, so this is a one sample, and also Microsoft 365 agent. But not only for that, to run from a basic console application and also Azure Function and MCP server, you can leverage any type of sample as you wish. Please leverage this sample to accelerate your agentic world. Thank you so much.